Welcome to Hootsuite's Social Marketing Certification course. Social marketing done right can generate brand awareness, drive meaningful conversations and conversions, and build a thriving community around a product, service, or brand. This course is an important step towards effectively using social media to achieve business and marketing objectives. This social marketing course is divided into streamlined chapters with a certification exam at the end. The first chapter gives a quick overview of the main social networks used by marketers. You'll also learn best practices for optimizing your social media profiles. You'll learn practical steps to ensure your social media accounts have a polished, professional look and feel. This chapter also offers tips for showing up more prominently in search results. Social marketing is most successful when there's a game plan. The first chapter covers social media strategy. You'll learn about every component of a robust social strategy and how to coordinate a social marketing program to effectively support broader business and marketing goals. In Chapter 2, you'll learn about community building and influencer marketing on social channels. You'll get tips for gaining followers and brand advocates on social networks and helpful tactics for keeping them engaged. Chapter 3 is all about social content marketing. That is, producing and sharing content on your social channels that strategically drives your social media goals. You'll learn about content strategy, planning, and measurement. You'll also learn the ins and outs of content creation, how to create engaging social videos, and best practices for sharing content on each network. And this final chapter gives a short survey of paid social advertising, an indispensable tactic for reaching your target audiences. At the end of each chapter, we'll ask you to complete a short quiz so you can test your newfound expertise along the way. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be ready to complete the Hootsuite certification in social marketing. Successfully completing this exam will cement your status as a trusted professional who can be counted on to drive real business results on social. On behalf of the entire Hootsuite Academy team, we wish you the best with your educational journey.